Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just kicking out the videos today, honeys. So anyways, y'all, let's get right into the tea. Okay, so a lot of people watch my Texlax videos and they have tons and tons of questions, which is great. I do have a Texlax Q&A coming up very soon, but however, I do want to have a conversation about Texlaxing. I really do. A lot of people question the way that I do things. They question what a Texlax is. Should they be Texlaxing? Like I said, honey, all those videos are coming on the way because I'm doing separate videos, like it or not. But let's get into this one. What is a Texlax? What does it do? Okay, so contrary to others believe, okay, a Texlax is used to actually loosen your curl pattern to make your hair either more manageable, if you'd like it to be more manageable, or to just loosen your curl pattern, kind of change your curl pattern. It is not supposed to be used to completely straighten hair at all. Okay, the way that I apply my Texlax and the way that I do it, I state this a lot. It's not a tutorial. It's the way that I like to do it, and it's the way that works for me. Okay, so I see a lot of people, they message me and they say different things. Some people say, should I do it? Is it a perm? Will it damage my hair? Etc, etc. Okay, so like I said, let's say that your hair is super kinky, and excuse me because I am not very familiar with the different types and textures of hair, of like natural curly hair. I'm not familiar with 4B, 4C. I'm not familiar with that. I'm sorry, I'm just not. I wouldn't know it if you showed it to me on a picture. I just wouldn't. So like I said, let's just say your hair is, or your child's hair is like very kinky or unmanageable, just way too curly, and you want to loosen up the curl pattern. You're going to use a texturizer. A texturizer is much lighter than a perm, and the way that you apply a texturizer, which they're almost the same thing, but it's just a very lighter version of a perm. Okay, it's like a baby gentle version. Okay, but the way that you apply a texturizer is you do not smooth it or anything like that. You're not supposed to. Okay, if you're wanting to retain your curl and not have your hair to be straight, you want to be very careful when applying a texturizer. Okay, very careful. So let's say that this was my real hair. Okay, so I would part my hair in different sections, and I would literally go through and just put it on my hair. I'm not gonna smooth it. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna place it on different parts of my hair. I'm not gonna smooth it. I'm not gonna comb it out. I'm not gonna do any of that, and I'm only gonna leave it on my hair for 10 to 15 minutes tops. That's even too long. 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, 5 to 10 minutes, that's it. Don't go 15 minutes. You only want to do like 5 to 10 minutes because you just want it to get in there enough to kind of loosen your curl pattern. That's it. All right, so I do see a lot of people who say, oh, it made my hair too straight. You ain't doing it right. Okay, I know there's probably people don't like when you say stuff like that, but I'm gonna serve it to you straight. You're not doing it right. Okay, so if your hair becomes straight, let's say your hair is super kinky, so I put on this hair and it's this texture. So once I get done, if my hair is just bone straight or just no curl, no nothing, like I said, you did not apply it right. A lot of people are trying to apply it like a perm, and that's not the way it's supposed to go. But anyways, that's not the way that that you are supposed to apply it. I do feel like texturizers are very useful. I don't think that they're not useful. I think that they are very useful. Are they for everyone? No, of course they're not for everyone, and everyone will not agree with the texturizer, and there will always be an ongoing debate on texturizer / perm, which, as I've stated, it's the same thing. It's just It's just a texturizer is a much lighter version. I'm trying to think of a comparison. I can't really think of anything right now, but I'm pretty sure as soon as I turn this off, I'll think of it. But just picture two products that are the same, but something that is way milder, something that's very mild, because like I said, it's not intended to straighten. It's just intended to loosen up a curl pattern. Okay, so if you do have super kinky hair, or maybe you just don't really too much like your curl pattern, or you'd rather for your curl pattern to be altered a little bit, I would definitely recommend you trying out a texturizer, but make sure you apply it correctly. As I've stated, like I said in my videos, I am just showing you guys what I do and how I do it. This is not to teach anyone anything. This is just my hair journey and what works for me. And of course, you guys saw that works for me, but just because it works for me, it doesn't mean it's going to work for everybody else, everyone else. I tell you guys after every video, take everything that I say with a grain of salt, form your own opinions and make your own decisions, because at the end of the day, you know, I'm accountable for my own head, not y'all. And I'm not a licensed professional. And pause for a second. I'm not a licensed professional or anything, so I'm not going to sit up here and tell you guys what to do and how to do it. I want you guys to see how I do it and form your own opinions, okay? So more videos about this topic are coming up. I know you guys are probably going to have more questions, and if you do, that's great. Leave them down below, and I could probably put both of the Q&As into one long video. Okay, so any questions that you guys have, go ahead and get them in now so I can go ahead and get them answered, and yeah, we'll just go from there. I'll see y'all in my next video. Like I said, don't be hesitant to leave comments. But anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.